At the MWC 2025 event, Ulefone unveiled the Ulefone Armor 33 Pro. Now this device is one of a kind, the most unique rugged phone ever, and that is because, come on guys, this device has a really large 3.4-inch rear display. It's insane, guys. Anyway, I'll basically talk about its rear display much more in a separate video, but in this video let's quickly explore its top features and specs. So without further ado, let's dive into it.
Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the beastly Ulefone Armor 33 Pro 5G rugged smartphone. Let's break it down, shall we? The Armor 33 Pro comes with IP68/IP69K ratings, drop resistance, and MILS TD 810H certification. Basically, it's built like a tank to withstand harsh environments. But that's not all. It has an accessory connector for attaching endoscopes and microscopes, perfect for professionals out in the field. One of the coolest features is the secondary rear display. It's a 3.4-inch AMOLED screen on the back. This can be used for notifications, quick glances at info, or even as a viewfinder for the rear cameras. Very intriguing, right? Speaking of displays, the main one is a large 6.95-inch 120Hz AMOLED. This is surprising for a rugged phone because it screams premium user experience. With a resolution of 1080x2460, it offers decent visuals, though I wish they specified the screen protection. Under the hood, it's powered by the Dimensity 7300X chipset, which provides solid performance. Running on Android 15, you get the latest features and security updates. It also packs 512 GB of storage and 16 GB of RAM, plus a dedicated microSD slot. Plenty of space for your apps, photos, and more. Now let's hit the camera specs. The Armor 33 Pro boasts an impressive setup. A 50MP main, 64MP night vision, and 50MP ultra-wide. The night vision camera with dedicated infrared lights is a standout feature. Plus, there's a 32MP selfie camera for those crisp selfies. Audio-wise, this phone packs stereo speakers that hit 118 dB, perfect for noisy environments. Connectivity? It's got it all: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, infrared, and even wireless FM radio. Plus, it has USB Type-C with OTG support and accessory connector pins. Now let's talk power. The Armor 33 Pro houses a monstrous 25500 mAh battery. Expect multi-day battery life even with heavy usage. It supports 66W wired charging and 10W reverse wired charging, so you can even charge other devices on the go. Overall, the Ulefone Armor 33 Pro is a niche device designed for those who need ruggedness, exceptional battery life, and specialized features. Alright folks, that's it for today. If you like this breakdown, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.